The Progressive Apple Slicer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Progressive Apple Slicer. This slicer comes in two versions, 8 slices and 16 slices. I'll be going over the 16 slices version. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Apple Slicer is easy to operate. It can also be used for pears. You can cut them in 16 slices and remove the core. 3 simple steps: just push down, then flip the bottom cover, and push down again until all the slices pop up. It's made of plastic and stainless steel. It is also dishwasher safe. It has a nice flip up cover to protect your fingers from the blade, and it's easy to remove the slices. The blades are sharp, so you want to keep your fingers away from them. As mentioned, 3 simple steps: push down on the apple or pear, then flip the bottom up, and push down again until they pop up. Now my assistant will demonstrate on these apples. Place the apple underneath the slicer and push down. Once it slices through, flip the bottom cover up and proceed to push down again until the slices and core separate. Now you have perfectly sliced apples with the core removed. Let's see it again on the second apple. Very easy to use. Now flip the bottom cover up and push down again. Perfectly sliced apples. These sliced apples are perfect for snacks, baking, or even take them on the go. The Progressive Apple Slicer. This slicer works great and it's safe to use. The added cover on the bottom that flips up adds a safety mechanism for your fingers from touching the blade. It ensures that the cut is done all the way through. This is definitely perfect if you tend to consume a lot of apples and pears. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.